And then actually dropped her off the studio. Can't be the studio, and then she said, can you identify? I think if you get a student, you don't sing your gaga. So yeah, you know, my own all right. And I must get swimming a little. There was oh, it's about you. What you cannot do for me today. Oh, it's about you. What you cannot do to me today. 'Cause I'm not feeling good all about you. And what you cannot give to me. Out of my table. Sort it out, baby. Sort it out. Took a CD home. Those days you would record and take the CD home with you. If I land, they won't do that. Oh, I got a surprise for you. That's take the CD and fuck. It's always about and what you cannot do for me today. I can't do this with you today. I can't do this for. That's what it's about. I cannot do this with you today. Sounds like it's always about you and what you cannot do for me today. It's always about you and what you cannot give to me today because you had a bad day or so did I. Okay, now my poet. So did I. So did I, baby. Tonight we're gonna talk about feelings, baby. Tonight, we're gonna talk about all the pain that I feel in my heart. Though I'm loving you still, I need you still. Oh, I'm wanting you still. Oh, baby, no, you're lying. That's my feeling. Some is if I never did so feeling different. Let me sing this thing. If I'm singing my complaints, so when I approach you, I approach sometimes. I approach you. They want to be up. If you're approach.